Review number 1, Introduction. Beginning with today, we will have a series of review periods. Each of them will cover 5 of the ideas already presented, starting with the first and ending with the 5th. There will be a short comment after each of the ideas, which you should consider in your review. In the practice period, the exercises should be done as follows. Begin the day by reading the 5 ideas, with comments included. Thereafter, it is not necessary to follow any particular order in considering them, though each one should be practiced at least once. Devote 2 minutes or more to each practice period, thinking about the idea and the related comments. Do this as often as possible during the day. If one of the ideas appeals to you more than the others, concentrate on that one. At the end of the day, however, be sure to review all of them once more. It is not necessary to cover the comments literally or thoroughly in the practice periods. Try rather merely to emphasize the central point and think about it as part of your review of the idea to which it relates. The review exercises should be done with the eyes closed when you are alone in a quiet place if possible. This is emphasized particularly for reviews at your stage of learning. It will be necessary, however, that you learn to require no special settings in which to apply what you have learned. You will need it most in situations which appear to be upsetting, rather than in those which already seem to be calm and quiet. The purpose of your learning is to enable you to bring the quiet with you and to heal the stress and turmoil. This is not done by avoiding them and seeking a heaven of isolation for yourself. You will yet learn that peace is part of you and requires only that you be there to embrace any situation in which you are. And finally, you will learn that there is no limit to where you are, so that your peace is everywhere and as you are. You will note that for the review purposes, the ideas are not always given in quite the original form of statement. Use them as they are given here. It's not necessary to return to the original statements, nor to apply the ideas as was suggested then. We are now emphasizing the relationships among the first 50 of the ideas we have covered and the cohesiveness of the thought systems to which they are leading